Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video of Allure by Nisha. So guys, I'm starting with these new kind of concept on my channel. Like it's not something very new, but it is new for me because I'm starting it for the very first time. I'm starting these new series where I'll be putting top 5 or top 10 or all the products that are my favorite and are top in my list. So I'm starting these series where I will be putting all the favorite top products out there in the videos and sharing with you guys. So let's see what else we can see in this video and the upcoming videos. So guys, in today's video I'm going to share my top 5 foundations with you guys that I have been loving and using since so long, and you must have seen me using all these foundations here and there in all of my videos on YouTube and on Instagram. And if you are following me since start, you must be knowing what all foundations will be there in this video. So guys, before we start the video, I would like to tell that all the foundations that I would be mentioning in this video are mentioned in the description box below in case you want to check for yourselves. And also guys, I would like to mention one thing, that we will be moving from low to high in the foundations when it comes to price. Like I will start from the lowest and we will go to highest. That I have to mention and put out there so you don't get confused. And still, if anything is left by me, or if any information you want to know and you feel I forgot to tell in this video, you can just comment down in the comment section below and I will be there to answer your question and any of the queries out there. And also, a disclaimer that I want to give is, so suppose say if you like a foundation, after my reviews and thoughts on it, and you are like, okay, I like this foundation, I want to go for it. So do a thing for yourself, that is, do a research and just go and know more about the foundation. The best way would be to do that is go in a beauty store, and there are a lot of helpful people there in those stores who help you to choose the right foundation, the right shade and all of that. And it comes really handy if you are a newbie, if you don't know what shade to pick, what foundation to choose for yourself. So you can go in a beauty store and ask for the right shade and you can choose it yourself. And also, don't forget and make sure you do a patch test of that foundation before buying it, so that you get to know you are not breaking out or you're not getting any irritation or any allergies from that foundation, and you are good to go and you are putting your money in the right foundation and you are not wasting your money at all. So yeah, these are the things that you have to keep in mind before you buy a foundation in a right way. And if you're someone who's very good in buying makeup from the online platforms, and if you know that you will be able to choose the right shade for you, so yeah, you can go ahead, do that as well and choose the right foundation and the right shade for you. So yeah guys, these were all the things that I wanted to mention and put out there. So yeah, now what are we waiting for? Without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So guys, the first foundation that I would like to mention is none other than our favorite Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So guys, talking about this foundation, each and every one of us is very well aware of this foundation. This foundation gives you sheer to medium coverage. Like it's not a full coverage foundation, but yeah, it can work little bit here and there if you build it up really nice. But this is very good foundation if you want to wear it in the schools, in college, in office, in any of the meetings, or like in a get together where you don't want to put so much of makeup, or even in the travels where you want to travel, like you are on the mountains or on the beaches, like there is water, or you are hiking on the mountain. So you know, you don't want that much heavy makeup and you don't want to feel heavy. So yeah, this comes very handy at that time, and it gives you right amount of coverage, right amount of everything on your face, and it gives you that real pop on your face, and it makes you look perfect on all of those occasions where you want something but you don't want to go too much overboard for anything. And also guys, this is a foundation that is something that fits in the budget of everyone. Like it is for 550 rupees, which is quite nice for a foundation like this. And also, if there are some sales or anything else going on, so it goes really down and it becomes really budget friendly. friendly, and if there is no sale also, it is still budget friendly, and it is really good for everyone, like from a beginner to a professional can use it. So it is a very good product in that price. Now guys, it says that it is good for normal to oily skin type of people, but I am a dry skin type and it works perfectly for me. I have no issues. Like, I even set my face with compact loose powders, and even I bake my face sometimes. So yeah, I have faced no issues with this being only suitable for normal to oily skin. It suits me as well. So like, if you ask me, I feel like anyone can go for this because it suits me, even though I don't fit in this category of normal to oily. So yeah, it perfectly suits me. There's the next foundation that I want to mention is this makeup stick by Color Bar. So guys, if I talk about this foundation, it is lightweight, it gives you medium coverage, it is cruelty free, and it is also chemical free, like from all the parabens, allergens and fragrance also. It is water resistant. If you are in a beachy place and you are into water, the makeup will not budge and smudge from your face. It will be there. And also it has SPF 30, which protects your face again from all the UV rays. And if I talk about the skin types, it is for all the skins, like it is all skin types, so any skin can use it. And the fact that it is a stick foundation, it is very friendly if you want to, you know, use, like if you are in a hurry and if you want to do your makeup very fast. So it is very handy, and you can just twist out this and do your makeup and put it back. And also this becomes very easy for you to travel with it. And also it is a concealer and foundation both. If you are traveling and don't want to carry separate concealers and foundation, this comes very handy. It is very easy. You can use it fast, and you can use it as a concealer, you can use it as a foundation, and even if you want to only highlight or contour some of the areas, you can use this. It becomes very easy and it comes very handy in all those uses. So yeah, it is very good for traveling, and also if you are in your day-to-day life, you can use this as well. So guys, if I talk about the price of this foundation, it comes for rupees 699, which is under 1000 rupees again, and it is for all the skin types. It is creamy in texture, so yeah, it goes really well. And you guys are aware of the fact that I do mix my foundations. I keep making combinations of different foundations, and whenever I've used this foundation in combination with anything, it works like magic. It gives me that perfect face I want. So yeah, it's a really good one. And also guys, if I talk about the price of this foundation, it comes under 1000 rupees. Again, it is a budget friendly foundation. Like any foundation, if you get under 1000 rupees, what else you can ask for? Like nowadays, it is a thing that we rarely get good products under 1000 rupees. So yeah, this is the one. The third foundation that I want to mention is this one. It is Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. So guys, if I talk about this one, again, I love this formula. I like Color Bar. This is also 2-in-1. It also gives you concealer plus foundation thingy. So again, yeah, you're sorted with this one bottle for your face at least. And if we talk about the coverage, this gives you medium to full coverage, and I really love it when it comes to buildability. And I love building this foundation like by itself, or I mix it with something else or some other foundation. So yeah, it works really well with me. It gives me that natural flawless finish, and it gives me that glow that I want for a dewy base. So yeah, this becomes very helpful in giving you a very beautiful dewy natural base. And the formula is very smooth, lightweight, easily blendable, and doesn't creases into your fine lines. It doesn't sets in your creases. So yeah, it blends like a dream. And also it is water resistant. It stays put for long hours. Like what else you can ask for? So these are all the things that we get in this foundation, and it gives me really beautiful finish. Like if you want to refer and you want to see the looks that I've created with all the foundations, you can just go check my Instagram. I will leave ID somewhere here on the screen, and you can just go and check how each one of these foundation give me finish that I want for different occasions and purposes. And I love them for this thing. That's why they have made this place in my top 5 foundations. So yeah, coming back to this one, really love the foundation, love the finish of it, and love the results it give me. Also guys, this foundation helps you fight all the problems that you face when you want to use a foundation, and it helps you and give you a solution by giving you coverage. Like if you have dark circles, and if you have redness on your face, or if you have uneven skin tone, this foundation covers everything very well and give you results like naturally beautiful skin. And if I talk about the price of this foundation, this comes for 1400 rupees. It comes under your 2000 rupees category or maybe 1500 rupees category. So this is for 1400 rupees. I know it can be a little pricier, but the kind of finish, the kind of look and the result it gives, it is worth every penny. You will see when you will try it for yourself. So yeah, love this one. And if I talk about the skin type, this foundation is good for dry skin type. Like it gives you that glow on your face after you apply this foundation. So this works as a gem for all the dry skin girls out there, including me. It works really well on the dry skin. So guys, the next foundation that I want to mention is this L'Oreal Infallible foundation. So if I talk about this foundation, this is a very nice and a lightweight foundation. Doesn't feel heavy at all on your face. Very buildable and very nicely blendable on your face. It gives you medium coverage, and if you blend and build it really nice, it gives you from medium to full coverage. Very nice, very lightweight, water resistant, and like doesn't feel heavy at all on your face. Doesn't cakes on your face. It doesn't feel cakey or greasy. Leaves you with a dewy finish and that natural base again, which is very good, and it helps you even on the water areas, like if you're on the beaches or somewhere you're enjoying the pool time. It is a good foundation to use at that point of time. It gives you water resistance, so it will stay put, and also it will not feel very heavy and very like loads of makeup on your face. So guys, if I talk about the skin type, this foundation is very good for combination skin type. Like you don't have to struggle with two foundations, one for your dry area, one for your oily area. You are good to go with this one. Like if I talk about myself, my face is dry, like my forehead, my cheeks, my chin, and everything is completely dry like anything. But this portion of my face, when it comes to nose, it becomes partially oily, like not too much oily but little bit oily it is. So I have used this foundation, I have tried it, and I have loved it on my skin. It is very lightweight and it goes really well on my skin. It suits me and it goes very well on my skin, and I have not faced any such issues. Yeah, little bit coverage problem was there with me, like here some areas were not able to be covered with the coverage this gives me, but apart from that everything is good to go. But there are people to whom I have heard, they say that this works magical, this works as full coverage for them. So yeah, it really depends from person to person. So for me, it has little bit coverage problem like here and here, but apart from that it gives me good dewy finish on my face. So yeah, I love it. So guys, the last foundation if I talk about is very close to my heart, is none other than this MAC foundation. And if I talk about this foundation, I am in love with this foundation. This baby gives you full coverage, like it gives you full coverage for your full day occasion. Like you don't have to worry, you wear it and you are sorted for full day. It is oil free. It doesn't let oil come to your face like for 6 to 7 hours at least. It controls oil on your face. Once you apply this foundation, this gives you very smooth finish and doesn't creases, doesn't settles in your fine lines, and you are left with very natural smooth skin on your face. Like once you've applied this foundation, your skin is left with smooth appearance, like there's no creasing, it doesn't settles in your fine lines, and it doesn't fades away. It gives you best results, like it gives you the flawless results that you want. And if I talk about the shade range, they have such a huge shade range in this foundation. Like there is a color for everyone and you will get your perfect color guaranteed. Like there is no in betweens, you will get your color, and that is something which is really great and we don't have in all the foundations. is there are very limited shades there. So yeah, this doesn't happen in this one. You can get your perfect color, and there is a perfect color out there for you. It is very comfortable in wearing like full day, and it is for all skin types. Like any skin type can wear it and rock it, and it doesn't harms your face. Like if you're dry skin or oily skin or combination or normal skin, like it goes very well with all the skins, and it leaves you with a flawless smooth skin and that smooth finish on your face. Like what else you can ask for? And guys, if I talk about the price of this foundation, it comes on the pricier side. As I said, I will be mentioning like from low to high, and this is of the highest price. But of course you can wait for your sale time and offer time, and you can grab it in that time. That becomes very helpful on your pocket, and you can buy your favorite foundation on some offer time, and you don't have to spend the full amount of money. You will get something or the other amount of off on it. So yeah, you can wait for it. And the price of this foundation is 2,900 rupees. So yeah, it comes under 3,000 budget, and it is worth every penny. It works like magic. So yeah, if you are someone who like it, do invest in it and you will love the results. So guys, this was all about my top 5 foundations which I used very much in my videos and in my personal life and everywhere here and there when I do my makeup. So I hope you liked the video. I hope it helped you in some way or the other. I hope it solved all the questions and ifs and buts about the choosing the right foundation, the right shade, the right everything for yourself when it comes to the right price, the skin type and all of those things. I hope you like these series that I have started of my top products that I will be doing and sharing with you all my top favorite products of each category. And I've started with the foundations. Let's see how it goes, and do let me know if you want something like what series you want, and I will do it for you. Like if you want concealer series, you can tell me in the comment section below that we want concealer series. So yeah, I will be there doing those series for you guys and solving all the queries and questions and ifs and buts that you have regarding any of the products. So yeah, just let me know in the comment section below. So guys, if you really like this video, please hit that like button on this video and share it with all the girls out there who may need this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you will be updated about all the videos coming on my channel and you will never ever miss them. And also you can follow me on my Instagram. Like I have showed the review and how I've used these foundations in different ways on my Instagram. Like videos are there, so you can go check my Instagram, check my makeup videos, check these foundations, and don't forget to follow me there. I am very active on Instagram. I do post my latest updates, any shopping updates, any offers or any makeup videos like this makeup that I have done. You can check it out on my Instagram. The video is there and you can learn this makeup as well. So yeah, go check out my Instagram. ID will be here somewhere mentioned on the screen, and check all the makeup videos that I have posted there because I have used these foundations there. So you will get to know better about these foundations. So yeah, this is a quick tip that I can give you. Go check out my Instagram, check out the videos, and don't forget to follow there. So yeah, now with all that said and done, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See ya. Bye.